Hi, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty, and today we're showing you a model apartment or the show apartment of the development called Santa Maria 2. This apartment also will be represented in the sales and promotion of the Leaf apartments from the same developer. So without further ado, let's have a look-see. Right, so what you have for your money in this apartment, and that's a lot. You've got underfloor heating, hydraulic, you've got air conditioning duct in the main living area and on the walls in the bedrooms. You have fully equipped kitchen with Bosch appliances throughout, and it's absolutely amazing. You have a smart house which will allow you to control this property from your mobile, from anywhere in the world. There is so much here. I mean, by far, this apartment is one of the best we've seen. So, why these apartments are so cool? And I think the main reason is because of the brightness. We have large floor-to-ceiling windows throughout the properties. The transition between main living area and the terraces, which is very important for the Algarve, it's almost seamless. So if you open these big windows, you can literally extend your living area towards the terrace, making it one big space. I think it's very, very cool. So, and we are done. Thank you for taking this tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and go to the link below to score your personal visit to this lovely apartment. On a personal note, I would like to tell you that this apartment is a showroom for 2 different projects, and everything you see here in terms of furniture is not included. Just a disclaimer. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.